Local news about local people. This is Newslink, Indiana.
Good morning, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. Former Frankton resident Mike Melville is one happy guy today. Monday, the 63-year-old man became the first civilian to successfully fly a privately manned spacecraft beyond the Earth's atmosphere. The spacecraft, called Spaceship One, reached a record-breaking 62 miles outside the Earth's atmosphere. The entire flight took just about 90 minutes and cost a reported $20 million. The project was funded by Microsoft co-founder Paul Allen. When Melville lived in Indiana, he took flying lessons at the Anderson Airport. Summer is here and the kids are out of school, and while most of them are at the pool or park, a select few will give up their summer to help low-income families. Newslink Indiana's Nicole Richards explains.
Middle, high school, and college students from all over the country are in Muncie this week to provide free home maintenance to those in need. For homeowner Sandy Ashcraft, that means a new roof. The students came to her rescue.
We've never got anything free in our life. We've always done everything ourselves, but now we can't. So these kids is doing a great job.
World Changers organization has recruited over 130 students to work in Muncie. Not only do they work for free, but they sleep on hard floors at Wilson Middle School and take cold showers.
Still, no complaints were heard Tuesday by the students who worked at this house on Yale Street.
Missions Communications Specialist Nancy Holland says the students get to choose their project and where they go, but have to pay $250 to travel.
These students are paying to come rather than staying at home during the summer for a summer job to get extra cash.
The students say the hard work is definitely worth it.
Well, it's really rewarding. It's such a great experience. Just to see their faces when we're finished and to know how much we helped them out.
World Changers hope to have Ashcraft's new roof done by Friday. In Muncie, Nicole Richards, Newslink, Indiana.
The students working on Ashcraft's home are from Alabama, Mississippi, Michigan, and Oklahoma. Now here's Jennifer Cook with a look at our forecast. Jennifer?
Thanks, Chris. This morning we're seeing mostly sunny skies and a mild 58 degrees. On Precision Cash, you can see we're in the clear. Throughout the day, we're going to see a couple clouds come in our forecast, but mainly we're going to see mostly cloudy skies. We're going to reach a high of 78. Chris?
Thanks, Jennifer. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us again at 6:27 this evening, and don't forget local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.